Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming iOS is current and dynamic island features are enabled. This prevents odd behavior later. Next, unlock and swipe up slightly to wake the island once, then open Control Center to check that live activities and notifications are allowed. You should also grant relevant apps permission to show live activities. Once done, make sure Do Not Disturb is off for testing. These steps get the island ready, so the next actions register reliably. You tap and hold the dynamic island to expand it and access live controls. That press triggers contextual mini-windows for timers, music, and calls. Once expanded, drag gently to reveal more details or pinch to minimize. This lets you switch between compact and larger views without leaving your app. Customize which apps can appear by opening each app's notification settings and enabling live activities. Doing so makes the island present only the information you want, which reduces clutter and speeds interaction. You finish interactions by tapping outside the dynamic island or swiping up to close expanded views. This returns the display to normal. If the island freezes or fails to expand, restart your iPhone to clear transient software issues and, if necessary, force quit the offending app and reopen it. Make sure app notification permissions include live activities. If not, reset permissions in settings. If problems persist, update iOS again. Sometimes a patch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.